Part 6. Got the flywheel off. It ain't that heavy. Got that off. Now we're getting that gear train cover off. The front gear train cover. Almost. There we go. The oil pump is right here. This is the camshaft. Here, I'll show you. I can tell by looking at it. There's looks like the distributor and the generator right there. Here's the oil pump. You can see the oil pump's down here. See that screen? So that's the oil pump. I'm not sure what this one is. This is the camshaft because it runs right up here, and then there's some lifters right here. So what I need to do now, so that's the gear train, the front gear train of a Wisconsin V4. Let's see here. There's some pliers. These may work. I put my skin back here a little bit. Alright. I don't care what happens to it as long as it comes out. Alright, now I need to get that nut off. That's not that socket. So I'll ditch that socket for now and look for a new one. Different one, and my feet's on that oil pan, not very comfortable. Let's try this one. It's almost a little bit too big. Ow, son of a butt. That one's not the right one. It wouldn't be. This one. Yep, that one will work. Where's my torque wrench? Right here. Big sucker. Need that socket. I rigged that up. There we go. I'll rig this up. This This part here is part of a socket wrench breaker bar. This is a part of a U-joint, little swivel adapter. And I went from a 1/2 inch or whatever this is to a 3/4 inch or whatever that is. I'm not real sure. I just know that fits that, so I rigged it up. So I'm gonna take this nut out. As much as I use tools, you think I would know, but I don't want to think of it right now. I want to get this done. Some pressure. It's working. Pressure with that, so I could show you. Oh, it just comes right out. Okay. There's a big washer right here in front of that gear to hold that gear on, along with that gear, which that would be the cam gear. I can tell because of this, and it runs at the top of the block. So I will turn this upside down now, by hand, by the crank. That'll work. Now somehow I need to get this oil pump out of it, because I want it. And here's a plate here, a gear train plate. So I'll set y'all guys back down here and while I figure some things out. So I get this phone set up. There's a flathead right there. I wonder what that's for. Take this flathead out. So we're going to make it come out. That. We need a little bitty thing. Well, maybe not. That thing ain't coming out. The oil pump turns. So go to the next part. So see you in the next video.